Straka, ese kawakeke. No es kawakeke. No es kawakeke. George says kawakeke sorake. We clock on the land. Lad. Sacred lad.
The cockatoo. The Georgia Kiki. Stars in the sky.
Una catiti. Por la sepa. La cato. La capotiti. La catepa. La cacorco. What is Calacon? What's good?
Hello there, Chief. I'm here to represent you against the Georgians. What I have here is the new plan to get your land back. And with this, we'll gain the trust of the Supreme Court and America itself.
Plan, you take our lands. You violate our treaties. You tell your courts of this injustices.
Mr. Wirt, please present your case. Thank you, Chief Justice Marshall. What I'm here to talk to you about today is a Cherokee man named Corn Tassel. This man's case is very controversial. This man committed serious crimes in Cherokee Nation, but the Cherokee Nation does not believe that Georgia can actually convict Corn Tassel of any punishment. The problem with this is Georgia executed Corn Tassel before this court case could get to the Supreme Court. And this is where I leave you, Justice Marshall.
Mr. Wirt, are you arguing on behalf of the Cherokee Nation as a state?
See, that's where our opinions might be different. How I view the Cherokee Nation is a political body all itself.
See, your highly dubious interpretation of the Constitution is incorrect. Article 3, Section 2, Clause 3 states, in all cases affecting ambassadors, other public ministers and consuls, and those in which a state shall be a party, the Supreme Court shall have original jurisdiction. In all of the cases before mentioned, the Supreme Court shall have appellate jurisdiction, both law and fact, with such exceptions under such regulations as the Congress shall make. This Cherokee Nation is considered a domestic dependent nation, not a state. Therefore, we cannot hear this case, and you will have to appeal it to the Georgia's appellate jurisdiction.
Thank you for your time, Chief Justice Marshall. Most importantly, thank you for protecting the Constitution. Have a good day.
On behalf of the U.S. government, I demand to sign this.
No.
This case concerns Samuel I. Worcester. Again, Mr. Wirt, please present your case.
Thank you, Chief Justice. What I'm here to talk about is an event that happened not too long ago. In Georgia, they forced their residents, all white residents, to take an oath supporting Georgian law. This, however, violates the treaty that was signed by the U.S. government during the time of the Revolutionary War.
Are you referring to the Cherokee Nation Treaty?
This is correct.
I see. We will have to bring this to a vote in our jurisdiction because this is eligible to appeal to the Supreme Court. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The court has reached a decision of 5-1 to uphold Mr. Wirt's case.
We will present this case to Mr. Andrew Jackson to decide on how to execute or enforce this law.
Perfect. Thank you.
What is your plan of action?
I'll tell you what my plan of action is.
You have to execute this law, Mr. Andrew Jackson.
No, I don't. I'm the president.
We have no clout.
You don't have as much power as I do. Therefore, I say, make me execute this law.
The judicial branch does not have any constitutional power or right to execute anything. This is your branch, your duty to execute this.